Hi everyone, this is Emmy. Today I'm going to show you how to crochet this interesting crochet stitch. And this will be a good stitch to use to make mittens or phone case, boot cuffs, a cup cozy, anything that you would crochet in the round, even a hat. So let's get started. I post videos on Tuesdays and Fridays, and sometimes a bonus in between. You can slow down the videos by clicking the gear icon below the video. You can find all my patterns in my Ravelry store, over 2,000 patterns, and many of them are free. Or on Etsy, HectaFavorites is my shop name there, and I have approximately 700 patterns. I'm going to start with a slip knot. And I'm going to work a foundation chain in an even number. And I worked a chain that was long enough to wrap around a cell phone. Slip stitch to join, being careful not to twist the chain. Chain 1. Single crochet in each stitch all the way around. Single crochet. All the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around. There's my last single crochet. Do not slip stitch to join, and I have an even number of stitches all the way around. In this case, I have 24. So I'm going to start working in the very next stitch, and I'm going to single crochet in that stitch, working only in the back side of the stitch. So I've worked this stitch, and now I'm going to go and work the next stitch, and I'm going to work right here in the center of the V. Single crochet. Single crochet in the back loop of the next stitch. In the next stitch, this one, I'm going to find the V. And single crochet into the V. And I'm going to repeat that across the row. Single crochet in the back loop, single crochet in the next V. And keep doing that all the way across the row. In the back loop, single crochet, and then in the V, single crochet. I'm going to repeat that all the way around. All the way around. Okay, I worked all the way around, and there's my beginning stitch because there's the yarn end. So this is going to be the first stitch of the next row, and I ended with a single crochet in the V. So the next stitch is going to be a single crochet in the back loop. And there's the V for the next stitch, V. Insert in the center of the V, single crochet. Single crochet in the back loop, single crochet in the V. Back loop, in the V. You're going to repeat that for as many rows as you want for whatever project you're making. I'm going to go ahead and work a few rows, and then I'll come and show you how it looks. And I've worked a few rows here. So you would just keep working row after row until your project is the size that you would need. When you're finished, you could thread this yarn end into a needle and sew the bottom closed. And here it is in a pink color. And there you go. That's how easy it is to crochet this simple crochet stitch that looks like knitting. Thanks for watching. Bye for now.